Ding 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 ding.
Oh no you don't! No trespassing! Train coming! Ah, the train is coming! Hide!
What's that crazy fool doing in that porta potty? Ah, don't worry, I got an idea for this.
Damn, that's a bad train! Woo! Man, it stinks in here! Oh no! There's a train coming! We gotta hide again! There's the crapper. I'll be safe in here!
The hell he will.
There must have been an earthquake! Ah, here it comes! Ah! The crap is coming upon me! The hell with this! I'm out of here! It's time to make our greatest escape. Let's get out of here.
What the hell was that?
Oh, what a nice day. Fifi? Hey, I hear a train.
Me too.
I heard a train. Oh, no. I want to hide if one's coming. Oh, there is a train coming. We got to find a place to hide.
There's a crapper
Look,
here.
there's a crapper. Come on. We're going to go hide in the crapper. We got to hurry. It's coming. Come on, guys. The crapper's over here. Let's hide. Uh-oh. Here comes the Amtrak train. Excuse me, hold on! Ah! Bring on! I see the shit coming up out of the damn toilet! Ah! Out! Everybody out! The train's gone! Everybody out! Get out! Get out! I have got crapola on my leg! Oh, it stinks! I'm out of here!
How come you humans have to shit on top of each other's shit all the time? It makes it really stink. Shit on top of shit on top of shit. Us dogs, when we shit alone in one spot, and our shit is by itself. But you humans, you just shit on top of each other's shit all the time. It's like that song it reminds me of. With a shit here and a shit there, here a shit, there a shit, everywhere a shit. Y'all think this is funny, This is some serious shit. And what's this white stuff you people use to clean your butt after you're done? You know, be like one of us dogs. Just go ahead and use your tongue, or go ahead and rub your butt across the carpeted floor. That's the way you clean it. Well, I have said enough shit for now. Now it's back to the shitty story again. Y'all sound like a bunch of laughing jackasses. Woo-hoo-hoo, here I am, waiting for the Amtrak auto train to take me to Virginia. Yep, Virginia is for lovers, and I'm a lover. Can't wait to get there. Florida's hot as hell. Awfully funny there's nobody here waiting for the train. This train had better stop here. I've been waiting all day. Oh, here it comes now. Wow, looks like a big stink coming around that turn. What the hell is that? I wonder if I have to put my paw out like I'm hitchhiking to get a ride from this guy. Damn, that thing is loud. I hope the hell it's not gonna be that loud on it. Hey, what the hell is this crap? Why ain't you stopping? Can you see me or am I too small? Come on! Oh well, there goes my chance to get to Virginia. Can't get the hell out of Florida. I guess there won't be no loving in Virginia for me. Oh well, I guess it's time to get the crap out of here. I guess it's time to go ride on a Greyhound. Woohoo! I can get on that. Hey everyone, where the hell are we going? I can see why the orange complained all the time he was in the car with all you guys.
Fifi! There's a train coming, Fifi. You want to go see it?
Listen, fat man, if there was a train coming, your fat buffalo butt would be running after it.
What?
Listen, I didn't mumble or stutter. Get the wax out of your ears.
Oh, hell no.
Hell? You been to such a place? No wonder you look like the devil. Get me out of here.
You better not act like the orange.
Orange? I don't have to act like him. He's coming back soon.
Come on, get Fifi. Come on, Fifi, let's go. Come on, Fifi.
Stop pulling on my collar. You're choking me, damn it.
Fifi! Fifi, the antics train's coming. Come here. Check it out. Come on, Fifi.
What the hell? Are you trying to scare the crap out of me?
Wow, that was cool, Fifi, wasn't it?
Hey, fat man, I got something for you. Hey, come back here. I got more from where that came from. That's right, security dog here. No trespassing, or I'll bite your ankles. Ugh, this is boring as hell. I'd rather be an engineer.
loves trains.
I know.
Yeah. Cute, cute.
I do it again. Baby, you did get hit in the head, you did? Oh, baby didn't get hit in the head. She didn't get hit in the head. Come on, baby, the train's coming. We gotta run. Fifi! Yes, we're going down the road. We're going to go to Circle K. So you can go pee-pee and poo-poo. Okay? Yes. Fifi's driving! Ooh. Hi, I'm the tramp of railroads. I'm Choo Caboo. Well, here comes a train. I wonder if I can get a ride today. Yeah, okay.